Ma'am, antibiotics overusage. I feel the doctors tend to prescribe more antibiotics nowadays than ever. See, personally, I do not have anything against doctors or something like that. But according to a lot of studies, according to a lot of pharmaceutical companies' the sales chart, the number of antibiotics usage is getting really high. And now there is a big concern like, are we creating a super bug? What do you think about it?
Yes, we are. Unfortunately, that is the sad reality of the present day. So just imagine a young couple, their first baby. You're in the winter season, baby gets sick. It's a typical viral illness. Majority of parents, what they think is, okay, let's go to the pediatrician. Maybe my baby will get prescribed an antibiotic and that would make my baby better. But that's a wrong concept. It really depends on what is underlying issue with your baby.
Okay.
Not all illnesses are treatable with an antibiotic. But the problem is that when a baby falls sick, it's very difficult for a parent to see their baby having a high fever, runny nose, just not getting better, not active. They come to a pediatrician. The pediatrician, some of them, maybe like 30%, may not suggest an antibiotic. 2 days, the baby is still not getting better. They go to another pediatrician. You need to understand each time a family goes to a different doctor, it is a different day in presentation. So maybe the other person would assess that maybe at this point in time, your baby would need an antibiotic. So this happens, the baby gets prescribed an antibiotic. But surprisingly, what happens is already the baby is 5 to 6 days into the illness. He or she is already approaching the window of recovery.
Okay.
So the antibiotic is going in at the same time.
Okay.
You understand? But for the parents, it's the antibiotics that caused the baby to recover.
Okay.
Okay. I wouldn't say antibiotic use should be banned. As a doctor or a physician, when we prescribe antibiotics, as a patient, when you are prescribed an antibiotic, think, is this really needed for me? And as a doctor, is it really needed for that person? Because the only way that we can control the emerging resistance is by really controlling the use of antibiotics.